The Get-Go tire chain, these come in a set of 4. It's a medium duty application, 10,000 pound braking strength strap. Simple to put on. You run it through the rim. Just grab it, you hook it in. Easy. Comes in a set of 4, away you go. You put one on each tire, it takes seconds to put on. It's just made for when you can't get underneath your trailer, you can't get away from a dock, you made ice. You put them on, it's simple, it saves you time from a tow bill, it saves you money from a tow bill. It's not to replace your tire chains down the road though, it's just to move you those few feet and get you going, you take it off.